Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Project. In this module, I want to show you the different ways that you can use to highlight critical tasks. So on the screen, I've got a few tasks and none of them are linked together at the moment, but you can see on the right there, the tasks are sitting on the Gantt chart. Now, if I just double click on the white there to get the bar styles box up and go and put name there, so that will just put the task names on the Gantt chart so you can see them. If I go to the Gantt chart format tab, I have an option there to tick critical on. And when I do that, you can see 2 of the 5 tasks have gone red because according to the state of play at the moment, those 2 tasks are the longest tasks, therefore they must be critical. Now, if I link these together, so if I put a link in here, 2, so this follows task 2, both of those tasks are now critical because there is no gap between the 2 things. If I just move this over a bit. So there's no gap between those 2 tasks, task 1 and 2. If I put another link in there, 3, the same procedure keeps occurring. No tasks, no slack, therefore everything is showing red. Now I could also get this side to colour up depending on what I want it to do. So I could do it manually. If I go back to tasks, you've got the paint pot there where you can select a colour and it will colour up whatever you select. So if I just select all of that, it colours all of that up. I don't want to do that though, and I don't recommend you do that because you are then overwriting some of the default settings. What would be better to do is go and format this. If I go back onto Gantt chart format, you have got where it says text styles. If I click into there, you've got an option to put a background color on based on what you select at the top. So if I select critical tasks and then change the background color to red, okay to that, those 3 tasks color up red. If I move or remove that, now it's just those 2 are red. So that's one way that you can do that. I'm just going to do Control Z again to undo that. Another thing you could do is go to the View tab, and where it says Highlight, you've got the option in there of selecting critical. So it's highlighting all these tasks that it considers critical, including the title. And it does it in yellow for some reason, which I find a bit strange when everything else is red. So my preferred method would be to have it coloured up on the Gantt chart, which is clicking this little tick. Then you can see it colouring up there quite easily. If you want this side colouring, obviously that's useful as well. But again, you're on Gantt chart format to colour it up on this side through text styles. It's totally up to you which way you do it. So I'll click on critical. You might want to do this. Select the background red. So you get the best of both worlds. And I think that is very impacting when you do it that way around. So that's all I want to talk about on this video, different ways that you can use the critical task feature and colour it to make it more visual. In this case on the screen, red. So that's all I want to talk about. Thank you for your time and I'll catch you on the next one.